kailangan namin ma-handle yung mga players. And alam naman namin binilid and kaya nilang bumalik sa laro.
Coach, may extra gigil ba na bumawi kasi sila yung tumalo sa inyo ng Final Four?
Wala naman, but of course, at the back of our minds, andun pa rin yan. But our goal is really just to, win our first game of the season. And syempre kailangan namin na bumawi, not just against CSB, but we want to win the championship back. Yun yung promise ko na gagawin ko ang lahat ng magagawa ko nung sabi ni Yuki na babalik siya this year. Kasi Yuki could have easily gone signed with the PBA team. Pero nag-commit siya sa San Beda without even talking to him, nag-commit na kagad siya. So sabi ko sa kanya, gagawin ko lahat ng magagawa ko as a coach na gawin kong last season niya na maging may worth it dun sa pag-stay niya.
Paano yung usapan niyo with Coach Yuri and staff ng mag-usap versus mo? O yung pagbalik mo na spike na?
Wala naman sila. Hindi naman ako permission na bumalik. It's my own decision talaga. It's because of what happened last season when I really didn't like how we went out in that Final Four. So I was really emotional at that time, and I think wala bilis lang puso ng bilis na hindi ka mapapatalo talaga. Kaya bumalik pa ako for one season for San Beda.
Speaking of next games, ano yung sunod natin?
We have time to rest and we prepare for the way we did, how we prepared yung CSB. So